Moong dal chilla with paneer bhurji stuffing.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today I'm making moong dal chilla with stuffing of paneer. So let me show you. It is a healthy recipe and like you can have it any day, even in the dinner or breakfast or lunch. So we will soak around one small bowl, that is katori, moong dal for about 1.5 or 2 hours. Uh, so after 2 hours, it looks like this, and now we can check by just pinching it that it is breaking. So like it's done, and we can pour it in the mixer and grind it. Also, I will be adding some additional things, so let me show you. So I have drained some of the extra water, and rest this I will use. Now I'm going to add a little bit of homemade ginger garlic paste, one chopped onion. This is optional and just for flavor, so it's up to you if you want to add.
Salt to taste. Cumin seeds. Turmeric. Coriander powder. Red chili powder.
Now I will grind it.
It's done.
I'm going to pour it in a bowl. This consistency is okay if you want to make thin chillas, but if you want it to be little thick, so you can leave just little water while grinding and discard the rest of it. Also, I have prepared the filling. This is paneer ki bhujia. So now let's move on to the next step.
Now I will apply some ghee on the tawa. Pour my batter over it and spread it evenly. Make sure you spread it evenly so that it does not get accumulated at one place. Flip it when you see that it is cooked on one side. Flip it again and add the paneer filling. Spread it in one half and cover it with the other half. Cut it. Serve it hot with homemade chutney. Do try this recipe. It is homemade, healthy and delicious. Okay, so let's try. It's yummy.